Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of Viber. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Viber app and then tap on the 3 lines More button in the bottom right corner. Select Settings from the menu that appears. In Settings, select General. Scroll down the General settings and tap on Exit. Tap OK on the pop-up. You will now be logged out of Viber in the sense that you will not show as being online and won't receive calls or messages until you open the app again. However, when you open the app again, it will open on your account. If you want to fully log out of Viber, then follow the next steps. But before you follow the next steps, you need to first back up your Viber chats. If you don't know how to do this, you can follow the tutorial I made about it. I will leave a link to that tutorial in the video description. Once you have backed up your Viber, open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down the settings to Apps and tap on it. Scroll down the Apps list to Viber and tap on it. Now in the Viber app settings, scroll down to Storage and tap on it. In Storage, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap OK on the pop-up. Your Viber will now be logged out. In order to log back in again, you will have to tap Start Now and then fill in your phone number. Allow all of the permissions and then tap Restore Now. Tap Allow and Continue and then allow the other permissions. Your Viber account will be logged back in. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Viber tips and tricks.